I'm Ben Riddering. I design and build custom furniture. At first, the sticker price for Festool seemed like a big one, but after working with them, it's making more and more sense as I realized the quality and the versatility of the machinery and what they can do. To me, it's a little bit like what I do as a furniture builder. I don't go out and try to compete with Levitts and all of the other local furniture guys. I try to do something different. I try to set my quality standard high and then just work for the clients that actually want that quality versus just have to mass produce everything that I do. That's not really what I'm about. It's not what I'm trying to do. Festool helps me to perform high-quality woodworking processes in my small shop without all the heavy machinery. And the great thing about it is then you throw it in the back of your truck and off you go to the work site. And I'd like to see you do that with the sliding table saw. The first time I used the track saw, I was actually helping my dad out at his house. And as soon as I started using it, I realized this is going to take the place of so many tools that you'd have to truck out to the job site. For example, when you're scribing, you're putting a cabinet up against the wall, it's literally a tick mark on the top and bottom, and connecting the dots with that track saw is a piece of cake. This comes right to work versus you taking your big door rail all the way over to the mortising machine that's taking up half of your shop and doing literally the same process, except easier. Actually, this is much easier to use than a big mortising machine trying to run this on an XY table. So when it comes down to, if you show me a tool that performs well, saves time, and takes up less space, now you've got my attention. The best days, I would say, are days that I've got a piece designed and I'm ready to go, and I sort of just plug into it and go. And the next thing I know, the clock's turning 5 and I'm headed home. Definitely, I love what I do. Yeah. The American way is kind of Costco. You get as many as you can for as cheap as you can, but I think it's similar to the trendy movement going around buying local, because it's bringing it back, smallerizing it to where you go down to the local farmer's market, you get what you need. It's higher quality. You're not getting as much, but in the end, it's better.